As I said in the beginning of this video, this is actually the reason that when I designed the lathe, that I put in that gap, that I'm able to make a very large round piece here. This is a coffee table I am making, and it's important to be able to do this on the lathe because the detail I can make on the edge, there's no way I can duplicate that with a router. It's such fine, I can get so close and I can make it so nice here that you can't do that anywhere else. That I then later found out that also bolt turners need the extra gap. That's of course a separate story. But anyway, that concludes my small presentation of the lathe. I hope it has answered at least most of the questions that you have. If not, please give us a call, contact us, send us an email or a letter. That's really it. Let me start up here. And please don't judge me because, as I said, turning was not part of my education, but boy is it fun. Thank you.